range door alarm transmitter with pager. This is the door and window security alarm transmitter. It is very easy to install, usually in a matter of seconds. You can use the supplied Velcro dots or fix permanently with screws to a window, door or cupboard door. They even work on a fridge door. When the door or window is open, the message signal is transmitted to the message pager. Again, messages can be added such as side door exit is open or bedroom 1 door open. Now to demonstrate.